Hello friends, I have actually edited this video to answer a question that I have been asked many times, and the question is this: why are you teaching this? If trading Bitcoin is making money for you and for others, then you should be very busy making that money and make your own $1 million. Why are you teaching this? To tell you honestly, I find this question a bit silly. Because look, I run a training institute teaching computers in Singapore, core Infotech, and I've been running this for like 13-14 years now. And when I started this, all I knew is some technical skills like Linux and programming, and I started teaching that. So teaching you how to make money from cryptocurrency is not going to stop me from trading or reduce what I'm going to earn. So what I'm going to earn is going to carry on. Now, teaching you is going to help you to master this new technique of making money, and it's going to help you. So why would I not teach? Because that doesn't reduce the money that I earn. You don't have a limited subscription that once you have so many people, then the rest can't earn and stuff like this. The more the better, actually. So sharing of knowledge is what I believe in completely, and that is why I started a training institute in the first place. And then a lot of people think I actually did that to make money, which is also true, right? We do not do things for charity. Definitely, I'm not teaching this for charity, and I'm not running a training institute for charity. Although I may be doing other things for charity. So we all have our ways of making money, and some do a job and some run a business, and I chose to go from the job to running a business, right? So now the question then is that what can you do after learning this? You can make small amounts of money every week, from $20 to $100 to $200 to $300 a week. And look, I have been where many of you are, where we have loans to pay off, we have credit card debt, we have dreams to fulfill, we want to do a lot of stuff, and we are short of money, okay? And this is a fantastic way of earning money that I have discovered, and this has just boomed this very year. This is just boomed in the last 4 months. So being very early in the game, you get the early movers advantage. And I want to share that advantage with people where they can learn, because in the trading markets, whether it's stocks, whether it's financial, whether it's option trading or cryptocurrency, the chances of you losing your investment are extremely high for untrained person. So if you are not trained into this, if you have not spent your own 200 hours learning it properly, and you're not willing to risk your money, then you will lose money, you see, because you're not trained. So how do people like me learn? We are very willing to lose money. We are risk takers. We believe in putting our 200 hours. We have a ton of patience, and that is how we learn, right? So when you come in to a 3-day course where you're taught all the techniques, you're taught the strategies, you're taught what are the common mistakes that you should not make, that we have lost money making, right? It's actually fantastic. So the course fee is very, very small compared to how much money you can lose just like this in a fraction of a few days, right? Or just 2 wrong trades, you can lose what you pay for the course fee. So in that sense, the course fee is dirt cheap, because this is a life skill, and once you gain a life skill, you use it for your life. You use this skill to make money for your life, right? And the strategies that we share here are going to be things that everybody can adopt. So whether you are a risk averse guy, or you like to take risk, or you are a medium risk guy like myself, we have different strategies for everybody. We have strategies for layman who says, I don't have time, so just tell me one thing that I can do, and after I do that for the next 2 years, I don't look at it, but I still want my money to grow. Yes, we have that too. And you will learn how to minus off all the risks, right? So we have put together everything for you. So right from the beginning to the end. So this is not a course which teaches one part of it, right? So we start at creating an account for you. So you learn how to create your own account online, how to transfer money and fund your account, and from there how do you understand the entire crypto market. You understand there are so many 900 plus coins where 90% of them are rubbish, so how to really separate the wheat from the chaff. And then from there we teach you how to trade, and then we show you so many strategies, 15 to 18 of them, because our persona is different, right? All of us are different, so what strategy works for me may not work for you. So we show you everything, right? So after that, including we even show you how to monitor. So we give you a proprietary free app, a mobile app, right, where you can track your trades and you can even see. So you don't even need to switch on your computer, right? You can just see everything on this device and track. You can set alarms, you can set alerts to say when it reaches this price, beep me, alert me, sing a song for me, whatever, right? So this is a complete course. And not only that, after that, after your course finishes, we even coach you. There is weeks of coaching, there is a monthly meet, there is a daily update of what's going on to you, from understanding from you. So you basically have this coach available with you, which will be myself, who will see your progress and work with you, right, for these couple of weeks until you are independent. So we got everything covered for you. We even have outlined strategies that you will reduce your risk, make it zero if you really follow what you are taught, right? And that is why we have the coaching program later, because you can't just lose your habit in an hour, right? So we work with you for a couple of days where you can see that, okay, this is your bad habit or your wrong thinking or your mindset, which you need to work on to get the strategy to work for you, right? So I really hope that you and nobody misses the chance. And you don't even need to be in Singapore. If you're in Singapore, it's a face-to-face training. The class size is so small, 4 to 5 packs. And if you're not in Singapore, then we do a live webinar training. So you really have the chance, and you can use this chance to make small investments of even $100-200 to get started, make some money and use it, right? So I hope that answers the question why I'm teaching it. And let me explain you the course now. Hello and welcome. I'm sure you have heard about Bitcoin. It's the new revolution. It's an old thing, but a new revolution. I think you would be knowing that the price of Bitcoin in January 2017, this year, was only $400. And last year, etc., or last year was about $40. And today it is $4,600 US. So you can see from January to August now, in about 6-7 months, Bitcoin price has risen from $400 to $4,600. That's quite an astronomical rise. Now, along with that, a lot of other things have happened in the blockchain arena. For example, we have more than 900 other altcoins. And once you have a Bitcoin, because one Bitcoin is 4,500 USD, the next question comes is, what can I do with this? Can I buy and sell? So the answer is yes. Can I trade? Yes. Can I make a lot of money? Yes. In that case, where does my Bitcoin sit? So it sits on the internet. And the moment we say that it sits on the internet, means it's completely unsafe, right? So this money is completely unsafe. So how do I then secure this money? Can I secure this money? And how do I do that? Can I download this on my computer? If I can download, then can this be stolen again? So the good news is that you can secure this. You can create online wallets, you can create paper wallets, you can save it offline, you can do all kind of stuff, right? Now, why is this interesting? Why is it that there are so many people who are looking to buy Bitcoin? What kind of trade can you do? So you can actually buy one coin, one another altcoin. So it's like many coins, right? So every country has their own coins. So I can actually trade Singapore coin to buy some coins from India or US, and I can do vice versa. So similarly, in the Bitcoin world, you can actually trade Bitcoin and buy other coins. And the prices of these coins are the most volatile that history has ever seen. Now, if you have been trading into stock markets or anything, you would know that when the volatility is very, very high, when things are very, very volatile, that is when you make money. And this is the most volatile market. Now, you don't need to get scared. It is very scary that these are unregulated markets. They are not under control of any government. There is no jurisdiction. So people can, thousands of companies can come online and close shop tomorrow, and you can't sue them, you can't find them, because Bitcoin is not even accepted as a legal currency in most countries. So, for example, recently Japan accepted Bitcoin as a legal currency. So that is one another reason why the price of Bitcoin went so high. So when you actually go and open account in a stock market and you want to trade stocks, there are a lot of rules and regulations that come in. There is a minimum amount of money that you have to even put into your account to get started. You're not allowed to do certain trades that the stock market software thinks are risky for you. Now, when you come to this Bitcoin market, no rules apply. So you have complete freedom. And the best part about this is we know that investing is risky but very rewarding. So you actually can invest in stock markets, but you need $2,000-3,000 to at least get started. You can invest in properties. You need a few $100,000 to get started. You can buy Bitcoin with just $20, $10, $5, $50, 100, 200, 2,000, up to you, right? So this is one big advantage where a common man can invest even a small amount like $100 and take part in the growth of this Bitcoin phenomenon. Now, of course, when we say that a common man can take part, a common man needs to understand trading, needs to understand how these markets work, needs to understand how does he cover his positions, how does he cover his risk, how does he make sure his money grows, how does he make sure he doesn't lose. So we are very, very happy that in Singapore, for the first time, we have come up with this kind of course which teaches you trading in Bitcoin and other altcoins, and it covers a lot of stuff. If you are outside Singapore, nothing to worry. We do run this course as a webinar, live webinar. So you can be in other countries, you can still register, and then we will actually get in touch with you, and we organize a webinar, and we teach a class of about 4 to 5 packs. So the beauty about how unique we have made this is, one, we have a very small class size, like 4 to 5 packs in one batch. So we don't do 20, 30, 50 packs. Then we cannot look at your screen, we can't focus, we can't make sure you learn. Second, why are we so excited and thrilled? Because this is really a common man's chance to make money by trading small amounts, and he can choose the amounts, and nobody governs him except his own logic, his own intelligence, his own decisions, and his own appetite to take risk. Then this is the 3 days course. So we actually teach on day 1 about coin markets, on day 2 about technical analysis. Now, technical analysis, once you learn, it's a life skill. So you can use the same technical analysis skills that you learn for stock market, for forex, for options trading, and for cryptocurrency trading, as this is called. So Bitcoin trading and altcoin trading is called as cryptocurrency. So yes, it is very cryptic if you don't understand, but it is very simple if you are taught in a proper manner. So we cover technical analysis on day 2, and then on day 3 we actually get into a lot of strategies, 15 to 18 strategies that you can use to make money in the cryptocurrency market. The target here is this: if you can shortlist some of these strategies and make just $20 every day with a very small investment, $30 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, right? This can be a life-changing amount. This can be a life-changing experience. This can literally change your life. Even though the amounts are small, but when you compound them over a few months, it is actually big money, right? So we are very happy to run this session, teach. I will run you through now with the course content quickly. And this is not training, this is coaching. So training is where you go for 3 days, you pay a given amount of money, 3 days finish, your money finish, your learning finishes. Did you learn or not? Nobody cares, right? Coaching is different. Coaching is where we hold you by the hand. We actually make sure you learn, and after you finish your course, we are still connected with you. So we have a small club, and the club members have certain privileges, and you are given free entry to this club for the first 2 months after your course. And this is to help you build your knowledge. We answer all your questions, we see what you do, we look at your trades, we have a monthly meeting to check out how are you progressing, how is the knowledge applied. So it is really coaching in that terms, and all of that is free to ensure that you get the results. So let me quickly introduce you to the course content now. Hey, welcome. Let me take you quickly through the course. So as you see, understanding cryptocurrencies is where we start, where we understand what is Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, altcoins, understanding the blockchain, which is the main thing behind all this. How many Bitcoins are there, what about altcoins. Then we go to the common questions that any individual has, which is, why is it expensive, what's the guarantee of the price going up, what if the price goes down, will I lose money, how do I not lose money, and how much money can I make, what is the investment required, can I start very small, how long does it take, all of this. So we answer all of that. After that, we actually go into understanding how to buy and how to store a Bitcoin, and how to make it safe, right, online as well as offline. And there, if we are talking about India, then we'll introduce you to some online wallets in India, and if you're talking about Singapore, we'll introduce you to some safe Singapore wallets, and then opening an account with an exchange. So we go and cover that. So in the course, we actually use Poloniex, although you can use any other exchange. There are many. So we'll actually introduce you to a few other exchanges, because for example, in US it's Coinbase, and Poloniex is also in US, and so other countries have their own exchanges. So the plus and minus of them, why should you choose one exchange over the other, how do you choose an exchange? So as you can see, all that is in the topic list, right? Then how do you transfer the money from your bank account to the exchange to start trading? After that, how do you trade cryptocurrencies, how should you buy, how can you transfer money to somebody else, and all that stuff. And finally, we actually come into trading strategies, where we say there are so many different strategies that we can use to actually trade and earn money. Now, the good thing here is that the profits are yours to keep, right? And the transaction charges are very, very small. So on typical stock trading, the transaction charges are about $10, $15, up to $30, right, per trade. Whereas here, they are below 1%, right? So they're very, very cheap. And then we talk about technical analysis, where that helps you to predict the direction of the market, to predict what direction the stock is going to go or the coin is going to go, and then make sure it goes in that direction, whether up or down. And you can make money in both ways, whether it goes up and down. And after that, we talk about how to track all your crypto trades, which usually we teach you a mobile app, a proprietary mobile app, which we show you how to configure. And then you can see all your trades on your mobile app. You can see live prices, you can see what's going on in the market, you can track, you can set alerts, you can do all of that, so that you know when the price went down to the level that you wanted, so you can buy stuff. When the price went up to that level, so you can actually sell. We'll also teach you how to automate this stuff. So you buy today at a given price, and you already say that I want to sell when the price goes up by 20%, 30%, 50%, whatever. So you put this trade in the system and you go to sleep, and the system will execute the trade whenever the price hits the level that you set, right? Whether it is the same day, in the next 1 hour, in the next 1 week, 1 month, whenever, right? And of course, you can cancel trades and all that. So we teach you all of that. And the most important part about this course is these 15 strategies, which are here. These are the ways you make money. Okay, so we actually teach you each of them to tell you, look, this is what you can do to make money, and we practically show you each one. We show you live trades, we show you live account, so you can see how using these strategies money has already been made, right? And then you can choose which strategy suits you in particular, right? And the amount of investment you have and the risk appetite you have and stuff like this, and that is how you learn all of this. Then we also have some bonus section where we actually give you tips on what are the top 5 altcoins to invest for the next 6 months, let's say, which is the one that you buy now, what is the right price to buy, and things like Monero, Ripple, etc. And then we also, like I said, put you on our Telegram group for the next 2 weeks for free, and we see what you are doing every week and chart your progress from there. So you are completely guided, and I welcome you to join in. So fill in the form on the page and see you on the inside. Have a good day. And finally, guys, coming towards the end of this video, I'm actually going to create certain videos as proof of you can earn and how much and stuff like this, because I don't want this video to go forever. So I'll put my YouTube channel here, and you can subscribe to the channel, and you will see my other videos where I actually share data about how much can you earn, how do you cover the risk, how big is the market, how are things moving and stuff like that, right? So see you there.